IBM Planning Analytics for Excel version 2.0.103, also known as 2.1.10, was released on April 16th, 2025. Let's walk through the updates introduced in this release and a known issue. Universal Reports supports cell pick lists that allow users to select values from a drop-down list when entering data, promoting faster, more consistent, and error-free input across reports. Another enhancement for Universal Reports includes a commit change dialog box to submit data back to the Team1 server. This dialog provides an opportunity to review pending changes before committing, reducing the risk of errors during the data submission process. An option called Disconnect and Clear WebView to Profile Settings is available to fully disconnect from all data sources and resets WebView to Profile Settings. This option helps restore a clean environment when troubleshooting login issues, display problems, or corrupted sessions without needing a full restart or reinstall. It provides a simple way to refresh the connection and improve overall stability in PAfE. In this version, large universal reports that require more than 2 minutes of query execution time may experience a timeout and fail to return data. This issue affects users on IBM Planning Analytics as a service. There is no current workaround, so for the best experience, it's recommended to use IBM Planning Analytics for Excel 2.0.103 together with IBM Planning Analytics Workspace 2.0.103. That's the last feature for this version.